Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Nice to meet you. Little virtual handshake to you all out there. How are you doing today? This is the Rideshare Hub, a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to come to learn how to make more money. Because who doesn't love money? I actually haven't met one person yet who doesn't like money. So if you don't like money, well, then maybe you can give me some of yours if you don't like it. Just kidding. So today's video, I have a super special video. This is maybe one of the first times in a while that I'm like really excited about what I'm about to share with you. It is a new rewards program for Uber and Lyft drivers. This is the first, I wouldn't say the first, but the best rewards program that I've heard of so far. The Uber debit card is one of them, but I think this one is a little bit better. So I'm gonna go over this one, and you know, it's like a third-party app or whatever, third-party website that rewards drivers for. Yeah, I'm gonna get into all of it, but yeah, basically, before I get into it, smash the thumbs up button and subscribe so you don't miss another video on this channel. You know, if you drive for Uber and Lyft, or you're thinking about it, or you know, if you're new or even an experienced driver, you just want to learn how to increase your income, that's what we talk about here. So make sure to subscribe, and yeah. All right, so I'm gonna link up my computer here because I wanted to share with you all what this website is. Let's sync up my computer right now. All right, so the website is called drivewithroll.com. So let's see here if it will ever load. Okay, limited time. Get last month's cash back today. See how? How do I see how? Okay, I guess you gotta sign up. Like a boss, your own. Track, manage, earn, and spend. Roll is all the support you need in one free 100% automated tool. No app to download. Earn more for Rideshare drivers, Uber, Lyft, Via, and Juno. Yeah, basically, it does all of your accounting, all of your, you know, basically, since I'm gonna go into the rest of the website, but basically, as an Uber and a Lyft driver, you know, when I first signed up, I had no idea like how much money I was spending, how much money I was losing, how much money I was making. Well, I did know how much money I was grossing, but that's not really how much you're taking home. You gotta keep it into account, you know, your expenses on your car, the food the money you spend on food while you're out eating or while you're out driving, you know, little snacks and all that. Like I had to buy a little phone mount. What else did I have to buy? I had to buy a little car fresheners. All these little things add up, and this app is completely free, and all you have to do is link it to your account, to your bank account. So I definitely do it, and they're gonna give you $5 for doing so. Because they told me, hey Dylan, how they literally asked me, hey Dylan, how can we get people to sign up? And I was like, give them money. They're like, all right, done deal, $5. So if you sign up using my link, you'll get $5. They will give you $5. So make sure they give you the $5. Which they will. You know, who doesn't like free money? It's like one of those things. Make $5 just for signing up. Seriously guys, the only qualification you have to be is to be an Uber and a Lyft driver. So here we go, like a boss, your own. Track, manage, earn, and spend. I love spending money. I also like making money, and I also like keeping it. So Roll is all the support you need in one free 100% automated tool. No app to download. Earn more now. You just gotta sign up. I guess it's online. For rideshare drivers, Uber, Lyft, Via, Juno. I don't know any Via or Juno drivers. In my market, it's really just Uber and Lyft. This is more like the East Coast, so if you do them, you also can sign up. Hey, that kind of does look like me now. Does that look like me, guys? That looks like my sister. That looks like my uncle. And that looks like my agent. And actually, that looks like one of my other buddies. Okay, you, CEO. I want to be a CEO. Roll is for dream chasers. You deserve world-class support. We work with your bank to figure out how much money you're earning, how much you could be saving, on taxes, and where you're eligible for discounts from suppliers. Guys, this is great. I generally don't talk too much about taxes just because I'm not a certified public accountant, but it looks like these guys help you figure out how you can save money on taxes, which is huge because Guys, when I first had to pay taxes on my Uber and Lyft income, I was like, that's how much I was like, that's how much I have to pay? I have to pay that much? Is that a joke? And then I did get some help to lower it down, which, you know, was through my, again, this is not tax advice. I'm not a certified public accountant. This is just my own, all my own experience. But I did figure out how to lower my taxes by taking into account expenses on my car, which did help a lot. Free automatic accounting. Your bank sends your transactions to Roll. We sort out which are business expenses. You catch a break because some things are hard, but managing your finances with Roll can be easier. Okay, so they separate it out. That is super helpful because it can get really messy in there. Going back, and I had to go back and check every single transaction I made in a year, which took several hours, if not days. And well, yeah, days actually. Powering the first pay stub for Rideshare. So the first pay stub. So if you guys have ever worked a normal job, yeah, I worked at Starbucks, I've worked at Nike, I have worked at several jobs. Where else have I worked? I've worked at a winery before. I've worked at so many different places. And you get paid every 2 weeks, right? You know how much you're getting, and you spend a certain amount, and you know, you can either live paycheck to paycheck or you can save up. Most people live paycheck to paycheck, unfortunately. But the thing that when you sign up for Uber and Lyft is that you don't know how much you're making. You get paid every day, you get paid every week, whatever. And you're not only running your own business, so you don't, that money that you get is also used to fund your own business. Whereas in a, you know, a normal job, all the money that you're getting is the money you get to keep, not money that you have to reinvest. So back into your own business. So this one, it's impossible to know for real how much you're taking home as a rideshare driver, and that's not an accident. When you're dark, you're under the app's control. Don't want to be under the app's control. You want to control where your money's going. Roll gives you the info you need to create your own lane. So, sorry, I need to reply to that. So now you're in charge of going places. As it looks like here, this is your revenue, that's your expenses, estimated tax. So your take-home pay on a week that you're earning $1,900, your take-home pay is really only $754 because, you know, that's a little high for expenses. I might, you know, that might be a little bit higher, but this is just a rough ballpark. That turns expenses into cash. So this way you really know how much you're making. You're not, you know, you're not, like I said, you're not in the dark. You're in your own control. That turns expenses into cash. Booyah! You spend a ton of money driving. Our team negotiates with automotive vendors nationwide to secure the best prices anywhere. Then we put those deals in your inbox and stash the cashback rewards directly into your bank account. Cha-ching! Money time. Being your own boss just got as easy as being the boss. The future is now. For limited time, here we go. Get last month's cash back today. At $8.99 a month, Netflix is $1 billion behemoth. The average rideshare driver makes an extra Netflix every month automatically just by using Roll. So that's $9 a month, $8.99 a month just by using Roll. When you connect your in-cash rewards. So this is all, like I said, you're getting cash rewards. When you connect your bank account to Roll, we'll deposit the cash back you would have earned last month today. And we'll pay you your last month's cash back again for every Roll customer you refer who connects their bank account. Booyah! That sounds pretty legit. So yeah, guys, that's pretty awesome, honestly. Yeah, so yeah, basically what they're saying is, you know, sign up and you can start earning cash rewards. I mean, this is really a no-brainer. I talked to the guy, he's one of the founders, and, you know, I talked to him on the phone. I always talk to these people on the phone before I ever, you know, talk about a company. And I'm excited to try it out. I want to do this with you guys. So I say let's do it. Let's figure out our expenses. You guys know me. You guys know my story. The reason I did sign up for Uber and Lyft was to pay off my credit cards and my car payment. When I first started driving, I had $5,000 in credit card debt, $5,000 car loan, and I was just paying for so much stuff. that I figured out, hey, you know what? Let me get out of this mess. So I paid off the credit cards, paid off the car loan. Now I own my car. Now I don't make any payments anymore to any of these, I don't want to call them dumb credit card companies because they're actually really smart. But I don't want to pay them. I just don't. The money I make, I don't want to just hand it away to some bank. I want to keep it for myself, right? You know, I want to buy a Tesla with it. You know, I want to buy something nice, maybe a house, hopefully soon. So anyways, guys, definitely recommend checking out Roll. Sorry, this is like a short video. I definitely will check back with you, check back in with you guys soon. Maybe like a month review of Roll. And you know, let me know if you guys do sign up. Let me know in the description below. I will heart your comment, and you know, then we can start making money together. Sorry, I look super tired. I still need to get my morning coffee. That's why my voice sounds like this. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great, amazing day. I will talk to y'all soon. Later, guys. Peace. Like and subscribe. All right, okay, bye. Look at my white teeth. Look at that teeth, guys. These are real teeth, not fake. All right, okay, bye. All right.